is eating her breakfast. Good morning. Sige na, eat na. Bye-bye! Muadto na me. Amping! Say amping! Amping! Bye! There na sa airport. Yung birthday girl is sleeping. 10 AM yata yung arrival ng husband ko sa airport. Saktong-sakto lang talaga yung pagbiyahe natin. Kasi 9:43 na ngayon. See you, Daddy! We're here at the airport, so we will just wait for Daddy to come, and we will see you. Bye! Happy birthday, Jana! Kinsang birthday, Ron? Kinsang birthday? Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. And this is Jana's outfit. Say hi. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Kisay mong sundoon, si? Kinsay sundoon ni mo, si?
Eben, you Eben.
Where? Yeah. Kinsay nang sakay sa airplane, si?
Daddy.
Daddy. Wala ni Daddy, tuwa. Go. Tura, sana. Go. Daddy. Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Bless ni Daddy. Di ba na yun ka mo bless ni Daddy? Bless. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Go kiss Daddy. Yee, Daddy! Hug Daddy! Hug Daddy! Hug Daddy! Hug Daddy! Hug Daddy! It's okay, that's Daddy.
Daddy, ma.
Kiss, hug Daddy, okay? Okay? Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy, babe. Kiss Daddy.
Ha?
Embrace Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na. Ay, sali. Nose. Embrace, Daddy, embrace. Wow! I love you, Nak. Again. I love you, Nak. Embrace. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy.
Finally, Daddy has arrived. Yay! Are you happy, Jana? Opo. Opo, are you happy?
Asan tayo na naman?
Happy birthday, Jana din. Where's Daddy? Daddy na?
Wow! Wow! Lumi! Lumi! Kamuting kahoy? Ha?
What's that?
Fish.
What color? What
Big fish.
big fish? What color lagi?
Orange.
Orange. We're already here sa Crisebo Hotel. So we're going to spend the night here sa hotel. Oh, what's that, Jana? What's that? Kinsay naghatag, ana?
Daddy.
Wow. Show me. What's that?
Daddy.
Teddy bear? Wow. Uy, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy? Aray ko.
Daddy.
Help, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! What you got, Jana?
Yay!
What's
Sit
that?
down, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
What's that? Wow, Barbie. What's this? What's this?
Orca.
Orca. Where's Wolf? Asa man si Wolf? Wolf. Yeah. Wolf. Wow. Okay,
Pero,
open Barbie, please, Daddy.
Daddy.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Ano sa maingon mo ni Daddy?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please.
Da.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Da.
Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you, Jana. Kiss Jana, kiss Jana.
Kiss, Daddy.
Open.
Open?
Hey.
Wow, mommy. Oh.
Taga-Japan na ba nila? Hindi kayo ba Bisaya? Pretty. Wait, wait. Ang wear of shoes si Barbie. Wear of shoes si Barbie. Yeah. Uy, good choice ni Jana din. Uy. We're here at ICM. So, palitan na mag-bike si Jana din. Tikas di palihog. Jana. Good evening. So we're going to have dinner here sa Smoke Bistro Cafe together with the birthday girl. Again. Smile. Smile. Okay, let's go. Happy birthday, Jana. What will you say?
Thank you.
Are you happy? Apo. Are you hungry? You're hungry na.
Guys, eat rice.
Eat rice.
Wow!
Happy birthday.
Taman ba dito?
It's okay, Daddy. It's my birthday. Birthday.
Lawan. Later na po ha.
Opo, later na po namin. Ganun yan parang. We're going back to our hotel. Katatapos lang namin mag-dinner and Daddy is driving. And Jenna din is nang hawid na podog.